I'm going to show you how to use the Solar System Scope online model. The first thing you do when you come to this website is click Start Online Model. And after you do that and it loads, you should see something like this. And it says click the screen to run the model. So let's do that. So here are the basic controls. You've got the date and time. You've got a play button, which we'll look at in a minute. You've got a slider over here that allows you to zoom in and out. And over here you have some other controls that I'll show you in a minute. First, let's look at the date and time. When you click that, it allows you to change the date and time. You can use the arrow keys to add hours or minutes to the clock. You can choose a specific date. You can use these arrow keys to move forward or backward month by month. You've got some choices in year over here. And once you have it all messed up, if you want to go back to today's date and time, you click actual time. And OK. And now we're back on today's date. If you double click the Earth, it will zoom in on the Earth. And now our camera is centered on the Earth. We can click and drag to angle it. If we click this arrow, well, if you have some interesting facts here you can learn about. You can see the whole planetary system, the orbit of the Earth and Moon. You've got an encyclopedia here. But if we get rid of that, let's zoom in again. And let's click the play button, and I'll show you how this works. You've got a slider here that allows you to move time forward or backward. Like this. And you can see what happens when we start to move time forward. Notice right now it is set to move 59 minutes forward every second, or this is basically an hour a second. And you can see how quickly the Earth rotates at that setting. This is 4 minutes every second. So even this is faster than normal. You can also go back in time. You see that makes the Earth spin the other way. Keep in mind that we are about here. This is the United States. You can see Florida there, and Maryland is going to be right about there on the globe. Okay, let's close this, and I'll show you one of the controls over here. If you click this icon and choose night sky, what that does is put you down on the surface of the Earth. And it's called night sky, but it works in the daytime too. Let's click the date and move it to actual time. It is 2:12 at the moment. So this is what the sky looks like outside right now, except you can't see the stars at this time. If I went outside and there weren't any clouds, I would be able to see the sun though. If I click play and slide the slider, you can see the sun beginning to set later on this evening. I could even reverse time and see the sun rise earlier this morning. Oops, I've lost it. Let's go find it. There it is. Reverse it a little bit more. And that was sunrise this morning. So those are the basic controls of Solar System Scope.